Hello guys, in this video I'll show you one more identity of trigonometry. So that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so now in this video I'll show you how to prove this identity is true. So let's move ahead. So as trigonometry is basically based on a right angle triangle, let us draw a right angle triangle. Let this be angle theta. So as this side is opposite to theta, this side is always called the opposite side, and this side is adjacent to theta and is therefore called the adjacent side, and the longest side is always called the hypotenuse. Okay, so now instead of hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent, we can also take any other values, like let our opposite side be A, adjacent side be B, and let our hypotenuse be C. So now let's plug in these values in our right angle triangle. So our right angle triangle should look more or less like this: A, B and C. Okay, so now from this identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we know that sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So here opposite to theta is A upon the hypotenuse is C. So now you may notice that sine here has an exponent or power of 2. So we have to square the whole thing. Plus cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent to theta is B over C. Again there is an exponent of 2. So we need to square the whole thing, which is equal to 1. Okay. So now A by C the whole square can also be written as A square over C square, and B by C the whole square can also be written as B square by C square, because we need to square the whole fraction. So A square over C square plus B square over C square is equal to 1. So this is what our identity states. Okay, so now you may see that C square and C square, both fractions have common denominator of C square. So we can write them as a common fraction, that is A square plus B square whole upon C square is equal to 1. So now from the Pythagorean identity, you know that A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay, so now as in our fraction we have A square plus B square upon C square is equal to 1, in place of this A square plus B square we can plug in C square, right? So let's put this here. So what do we get? C square upon C square is equal to 1. So we can cancel both as they have common factor of 1. So we get 1 is equal to 1. Thus sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Thus this identity is proved true. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe.